So how to install Campus Parent app? So just tap get and then double click to install. You'll be able to install this app. Attention all parents and guardians. Campus Parent puts your student school information at your fingertips. Real-time access to announcement, assignment, attendance, grades, schedules, and much more. Download the app, search for your district name and state, select your district, enter username and password, receive alerts for grades, assignments, scores, attendance changes, and more. Your school district must use Infinite Campus Student Information System. Then just open up this app, and then just search your district. And then that's how you can just search it. And then select your district. Oh, it's not working for me. So for example, you can just select your district. And then sign in with Google or just use your parent username and password. And that's how you can sign in. Or if you're a new user, you can just go and try to create an account from here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, your student school information at your fingertips, all access to announcements, assignment, attendance, grades, schedules, and much more. Some people might say it's a bit intrusive app, but yes, this is just specifically app for parents to check out like that. I don't know how many schools are connected to this app. Probably you need to have your school participating in this app, but that's the idea.